Rainfall totals here. Over an inch of water came down in Boston, parts of the South Shore, north and west of town. Unfortunately, a lot of that fell as freezing rain, and the ice accretion exceeded a quarter of an inch in a lot of spots. So definitely just a mess yesterday. Quite a difficult day. You can see also the winds were quite gusty. We did have gusts over 50, even 60 miles per hour. Now, the winds may gust over 20 miles per hour today. So a little bit of a gusty wind you'll notice, nothing like yesterday. But we're back to bright sunshine today. That wind, though, is bringing in much colder air. So tonight through Friday, you're going to feel the temperatures dip way down. And then once again this weekend, we're going to see the temperatures warm up again. So yeah, a bit of a roller coaster ride with the temperatures. This is a little deceiving when you look at this map. So at first glance, you're all right. It's in the mid and upper 30s. Shouldn't have any problems with icing out there this morning. We are close enough to the freezing mark that even though the thermometer above ground may be registering that temperature above freezing, the actual road surface itself may be cold enough for a little bit of patchy black ice. So please be careful as you're heading out this morning. The skies above are mainly clear. Until you head onto the western part of the state, you can see there are some clouds advancing, even a few snow showers as well. This is actually associated with the frontal boundary, which is the leading edge of some colder air. So yes, we're mostly in the 30s, but to the west, it's in the 20s, the teens, eventually below zero. And that's the air mass that's going to work on in. So although we're starting out in the mid and upper 30s, temperatures basically hold steady throughout the day as those gusterly westerly winds tap into that colder air. So here's where we are this afternoon. Most spots above the freezing mark, though, and with the sunshine, we'll get a little bit of melting on in today. However, the winds are going to be up. We're gusting over 20 miles per hour this morning. Winds still active this afternoon, so that is going to make it feel colder throughout the day. In fact, the wind chills hold in the 20s pretty much all day long, so that is what you want to dress for. Skies, though, mainly clear today. That's how we start out this evening. And then overnight, a few patchy clouds may fill on in. It's not going to do much, though, to keep those temperatures from free falling. It is a much colder night ahead. We're down in the teens in most areas tonight, so a cold start tomorrow, and it's a cold day. Early clouds, then sunshine. Look at those high temperatures, only in the 20s tomorrow, but the winds relax and as high pressure noses on in. We've got a lot of sunshine here through the end of the week. However, that wind chill out the door tomorrow morning going to be running in the single digits, so you do want to dress for that and know that it's coming. Definitely colder weather here, the story through Friday, and then we warm it back up on Saturday through the upper 40s, right around 50 on Sunday, but that could come in with some rain on into Monday. All right.